Imagine you stop eating right now, no snacks, no meals, nothing for the next 24 hours. At first, nothing dramatic happens, but 12 hours later, your body flips a metabolic switch. At 18 hours, your cells begin cleaning themselves, and by hour 23, your body enters a rare biological state. The question is, would you feel weak or more powerful than ever? Let's find out hour by hour. In the next 4 minutes, you'll see exactly what happens inside your body when you stop eating. Hour by hour, you'll discover why hunger at hour 8 is psychological and why your brain becomes sharp around hour 16, and what strange cellular process begins around hour 18 that scientists link to longevity. But first, we need to start the clock. The timer starts the moment you finish your last meal. For the next few hours, your body is flooded with energy. Glucose enters your bloodstream. Your pancreas releases insulin. Think of insulin as a storage signal. While insulin is high, your body stores energy. Fat burning is basically locked. Your body is simply using the fuel you just ate. Around hour 6, your blood sugar stabilizes, insulin slowly drops, and your brain sends a signal: hunger. Your stomach might growl. You may feel slightly distracted. Here's the important part. This isn't starvation. It's just your body asking for the easy fuel it's used to getting. Most people quit here. Now imagine your body like a hybrid car. When the fuel tank runs low, the system automatically switches to a backup battery. That's what begins happening now. Your liver opens its stored energy supply called glycogen. Think of glycogen as your body's emergency wallet. It keeps your blood sugar stable while you wait for the next meal. But that wallet isn't unlimited. On hour 12, your glycogen supply begins running low. Now your body has to make a decision. Either slow down or unlock a massive energy reserve. So it unlocks your fat cells. Stored body fat breaks down into fatty acids. Your liver converts these into ketones. And here's something surprising. Your brain actually runs extremely well on ketones. Instead of feeling tired, many people suddenly feel focused, clear, alert. Why? Because your energy source has stabilized. From an evolutionary perspective, this makes sense. If early humans became tired when hungry, they wouldn't survive to hunt. Around hour 18, a process called autophagy increases. Think of it as your body's recycling system. Old cellular junk gets cleared away. Scientists believe this process plays a role in cell repair and possibly aging itself. Human growth hormone begins rising significantly. Some studies show increases of over 1,000% during fasting. This hormone helps protect muscle tissue. Your system is now operating in a very different metabolic state. By hour 24, you've achieved what most people in the modern world never will: a complete metabolic cleanup. After nearly a full day, your insulin sensitivity is high. Your digestive system has rested. Your body is reset. If you enjoy exploring how the human body works, then you're trying to understand the hidden systems running your life. But even when your brain is performing at its peak, it has a dark side. It doesn't always tell you the truth about your past. Watch this video next to discover how your own mind rewrites your memories and lies to you every single day.